Join me as I dive deep into the world of Cutera Incorporated stock and see if I can figure out if it's a smart investment for 2025. Cutera Incorporated is a company that has been making waves in the investment landscape, and 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for its stock. With its focus on aesthetic and medical devices, Cutera has carved out a niche for itself in a rapidly growing market. But what makes this year so crucial for the company, and more importantly, for investors? One of the major concerns investors might have when it comes to Cutera is its market position. As a relatively small player in a crowded industry, there are fears that the company might struggle to compete with larger rivals. Additionally, the aesthetic and medical device market is highly competitive, with new entrants vying for market share every quarter. This competition could put pressure on Cutera's pricing power and ultimately affect its bottom line. Another concern is the overall economic conditions affecting the stock. With rising interest rates and inflation, investors are getting increasingly cautious about their investments. This could lead to a decrease in discretionary spending, which would disproportionately affect companies like Cutera that rely on consumer spending. Furthermore, there are concerns about the company's reliance on a few key products, which could make it vulnerable to fluctuations in demand. If one of its top-selling products experiences a downturn, Cutera's revenue could take a significant hit. Cutera's also been facing increased scrutiny over its business practices, with some investors questioning the company's transparency and accountability. This has led to some volatility in the stock price, making it a wild ride for investors. In recent months, Cutera has been quietly working on revamping its business strategies to address some of these concerns. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, churning out innovative new products that are set to disrupt the industry. For instance, its newest product line has been getting rave reviews from customers and critics alike, and is expected to be a major driver of revenue growth in the coming quarters. Cutera's also been making significant strides in terms of financial health, with a solid balance sheet and a healthy cash reserve. This gives the company the flexibility to make strategic acquisitions and investments, positioning itself for long-term growth. Moreover, the company's management team has been actively engaging with investors, addressing concerns and providing guidance on its future plans. This increased transparency has helped to build trust with investors, and could lead to a re-rating of the stock in the coming months. So, what does this all mean for Cutera Incorporated stock performance in 2025? Based on the analysis, I believe that Cutera has the potential to outperform the market in the coming year. With its revamped business strategies, innovative product line, and solid financial health, the company is well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for aesthetic and medical devices. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The company still faces significant risks, including intense competition and regulatory uncertainty. Investors will need to keep a close eye on these factors in the coming months. In conclusion, Cutera Incorporated stock is not without its risks, but for investors who are willing to take a closer look, there are some compelling opportunities to be had. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on this stock in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Cutera Incorporated? Do you think it's a good investment for 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more investment insights and related content.